Hi, welcome back to Canva Bestie. Today I'm going to show you how to add customizable lighting to your photos in Canva using Canva's new feature, Light Labs. So let's jump in and I will show you how to do it. So first we are going to open up a blank canvas. I'm going to do a custom size and I'm going to do a width of 1920 and a height of 1080 pixels. And then we're going to select create a new design. Okay, now that we are in our canvas, we are going to go over to elements and select a photo we want to use, or we can upload our own photo. I already have a picture here of this car that I'm going to make a calendar with. So I'm just sizing it, I'm clicking and dragging and moving it into place. Once you're happy with it, you want to go over to your apps and search Light and then search Light Lab. Go ahead and click it and it will open up the app. Now that we're in the app, we want to go ahead and make sure our photo is selected, and we can choose from these presets down here. They have lots of different cool colors. They have just basic white, basic yellow. You can really do anything. Now I'm going to go back because I think I want the green and the purple that was back at the beginning. So I'll go with this one and I'm clicking it and then clicking add light effects. Then we're just going to let Canva work its magic. When it's finished, it's going to give you your light sources up here in the corner and you can move them around freely wherever you want. And you can see it's lighting up the car wherever I move it, which is really cool. Each one of your light sources down here, your green, your purple, and your ambient's just your white light. They all have their own settings, which is pretty neat. So you can change the intensity of the ambient, which is the white light. We can go into our green and we can amp up the intensity and amp up the distance, and you can see it changing up in the preview above us. Then we're going to adjust our purple coloring. Each light source also has radius, which is how far the light goes. So as you can see, it's changing in the preview up above, and you can do that for both colors as well. When you're finished, just click add to design and it will pop it right onto your canvas, and you can move it and stretch it while the quality doesn't change. And here's a little before and after so you can see the difference that Light Lab makes on your photos. So this picture is going to be really good for a calendar for a holiday gift. And here's our finished project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva content. Thank you so much for watching.